Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions and AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Real quick video, I want to point out some things that if you purchase the Jazzy Evo, this is the LI, so it's the lithium ion battery. What's cool about it is if someone's having a hard time maintaining batteries, this thing's going to maintain itself. So if you don't charge this thing properly, or if you haven't charged it in a while, what it does is it shuts itself completely down. So in like 30 days, if you haven't touched this unit, it's sitting to the side, or let's say this was at your vacation house at the beach or the mountains and you left it there. A lot of people do that so they don't have to travel a power chair back and forth sometimes. If it's been sit for a while and you go and try to turn this thing on and it won't turn on, that's in a lockout mode with the battery. So it's in like a sleep mode. What you have to do is make sure it's in lock gear. Now you can put this in freewheel and push it around. So you got to make sure this is in gear. You're going to take your charger, you're going to plug it into this, and you're going to let that charge for about 2 minutes. Then you can take your charger off. It's ready to go. So that's how to get out of sleep mode. If you have any questions, call us at 803-926-2224 or visit us online at AffordableMedicalUSA.com.